Hello and welcome to Victor Shamaki, and you know how we do it. So we test out tools that will help you make your work easier at some of our videos. And so today we're going to look at something. It's called RecoveryFox. I came across it and I want to test it. This is going to be my first time when I'm using it. So I'm just going to test it out with time. I'll be testing some of the things they say here and we're going to see it together. All right. So I'm going to show you what they say on their website. It is wonderfoxrecovery.com. That's the website. And they say an AI powered data recovery for deleted, formatted, and lost files. Retrieve recently deleted data with original names and path. Rebuild scattered fragments and recover them from whether it is a HDD, SSD, USB drives, SD cards, and other storage devices. But what actually triggers me was, if you come under solutions, they write out all the things they could do. I'm not going to go to look at all that, but I'm going to just this is all solutions. Then they have deleted files, they have formatted file recovery. Maybe you format your hard drive into some virus, or you can actually recover. That's what they say. So I'll be picking them one by one. So today I'm going to do this deleted file recovery. All right. So we're just going to test that out and see. So I'm going to go to my folder. So I have a file I created. I just copied this work, and inside this work we have point cloud support over 347 megabytes. Then we have CBN quarters, the IFC, and cat poly, K2, all of that. Point cloud. These are the files that are inside. So I created it as a use case. That's the name I used, as a used case. And I deleted it. Everything is totaling 540 megabytes. So I'm going to test what they just say and see if it works. Then we will pass the judgment ourselves. All right. So here's the file. Like I said, you go to recovery of wonderfoxrecovery.com. All right, let's check it so that I don't make mistake. So it's wonderfoxrecovery.com. You're going to download it. It's not a free software anyway, but you have free versions to use. Okay, so these are their pricing. For a week, it's $49.95. For a month is $59.95. For a year is $69.95, and for lifetime is $99.95. All right. So it has they have 30 days money back in this and this. Then this has 7 days money back. So let's see if it's worth it. All right. I'm actually using the lifetime license, so I'm just going to test this out because I want my money back if it didn't work. So I just picked the highest to have a test of it. So let's go and see. So here is the Firefox, RecoveryFox AI. Okay, so I have a flash drive attached to this, and this flash drive has a total of 8 gig, which is free, is 7.4948 gig. All right, so and then we have 840 megabytes at the moment. So I'm just going to click on quick scan, okay, and it's going to scan through and recover deleted files. Okay, so according to it, it has recovered. So it's just giving us some statistics. So I'm going to cancel this out. So we have existing files, which if you check from the flash drive, we have these as existing files, right? So let's check them out. So we're going to take this and existing file. We have final. If you check this final, we have work, we have FCS president, we have lot, we have this folder, we have CBN quarters, and then we have hidden files. Okay, so the quick scan is what we just did now. So let's check it. We have use case. If you check here, there's no use case under the existing file. So we have use case, and inside the use case we have the point cloud, which is 1, and then in the use case, if I click on this, it brings us to, we're going to see point cloud, CPR, RCP, then cat polyquarters. Then you see that this, if we check this, we're going to see all that is in it. So now what we're going to do here is to select this, we select the file we're interested in and recover. Okay, why is it not selecting? Okay, it's still scanning. So sorry, it's still scanning. I didn't check that. I thought it is done. It's still scanning at 16.20 now. So I didn't see that. So sorry, I thought it just quickly did that. It just brought out the files as it is on the device, okay, on the storage device. So I didn't actually know that it's not done scanning. So let's have that live test. Okay, so I think it's 100% complete. So I'm just going to click on this because this is what was deleted, right? So yes, so I'm just going to click on it and then click on recover. So it's going to take me to where where I want to save it, right? So I'm just going to put this somewhere. Let's see. Okay, let me put it here, and it's recovering. So we'll check it out once it is done and see if everything we have in the other folder actually got recovered. So then we will now begin to rate it, right? So we'll give this one a rating, maybe between 10 and 0. So, and then we'll name it as 1, and then 10 and 0. Then when I do the next one, we'll also check it and give a rating. All right, then we'll see whether at the end of the day the $99 or the $100 it was worth it or it wasn't. So anyway, let it finish, then we'll go and check it out before we pass judgment. Okay, so it said completed. So let's go find it. So I think it's in a folder called June, and that folder is in desktop. Okay. I'm sure that, okay, that's it. All right. Now, number one, let me open the order so that we don't do, so the order is in this. Number one, what's the file size that was deleted? You can see 540 megabytes, right? Now, what's the other file size in June? We can also see 540. And then let's open it now. This is the scan, yeah. And then the folder that I delete, I saved it as used case. All right, so let's begin to check them. Now, this should have like 347. Yes. So did it recover? Yes, it did. Yes, yes. So let's total how many files. We have 9 files here. Let's come here. How many files are inside? 9 files. So what's the size of this? 347. Yes. This 2 point, yes. Okay. So basically, we have everything that was deleted recovered successfully. Okay, so it's time to pass judgment. Yes, for recently deleted file, just like they posted in their website, for recently deleted file, which is this, which we just tried, said recover files due to accidental deletion. You just delete a file, you can recover it using RecoveryFox. Yes, so I'm going to give it, for me, you can decide to put yours on down if you on the comment section, so that we get to know. You try it and drop your comment. Now I'm going to give it an 8/10. Yes, it did recover, it did everything. The reason why I'm giving it an 8/10 instead of 10/10 is because, yes, it is licensed. So I'm going to give, because of the cost, so I'm not going to give them 100. I'm going to rather give them an 8. So you drop your own on the comment section. Then we will try formatted files, and then we'll try other things one by one. So I believe it may be long, but I just wanted us to have a feel of doing it together. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video, where we'll explore other parts of these recovery tools. Thank you, and for now, bye.